Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious white truffles. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of good quality white chocolate, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and any flavorings you desire, like vanilla extract. Make sure your kitchen is cool and all your tools are clean. Precise measurements are key for a perfect ganache, so take your time with this initial step. Now let's make the ganache. Gently heat your 1/2 cup of heavy cream in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer around the edges. Avoid boiling it. Place your 8 ounces of finely chopped white chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Let it sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes, then stir slowly from the center outwards until it's completely smooth and glossy. Once your ganache is ready, it's time to chill it. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or until it's firm enough to easily scoop. Using a small scoop or a teaspoon, portion out the ganache. Quickly roll each portion between your palms to form smooth, 1-inch balls. Working quickly helps prevent the truffles from melting from the heat of your hands. For the final touch, it's time to coat your truffles. You can roll them in powdered sugar, cocoa powder, or colorful sprinkles for a simple finish. If you prefer a crisp chocolate shell, dip them into tempered white or dark chocolate. Once coated, store your beautiful white truffles in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. They are best enjoyed within 1 week.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.